Alright, the Clarksdale post office just called and our birds are in. We're gonna go get them. It's a chilly morning today. I hope they're okay. They were supposed to be here last night. We'll find out. Oh, it's foggy in this truck. It's just a couple of minutes ride to the local post office here. I showed them checked into Kansas City at midnight last night, or 11:30. Alright folk, I'm going to run in this post office and pick these birds up. Whenever I come back, I'm going to have to move the camera around, so there'll be some jostling on the video, but I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, the way he packaged them, they've got a ride in the back. But they're both alive. They both pecked me when I stuck my finger in. So, hopefully, everything is okay with them. We're going to take it easy going back home. They look okay. The boxes aren't damaged. And like I say, the one, they pecked me when I stuck my finger in a hole, so I'm hoping that's a good sign that everybody's okay. We'll get them home, get them in their cage, get these boxes open and find out. Taking it easy so those boxes don't tip over or slide or anything like that. Now we got these grouse. We ordered them from the same place we ordered the last ones from. So Ozzie and Harriet came from the same place these birds came from. Whenever we bought Ozzie and Harriet, he was in Idaho, and he recently moved to Washington. Old boy that owns, operates Grouse Park Waterfowl. He's got all kinds of different grouse. They are genuinely good people. He's there if we need him, if we've got any questions, if we've got any problems. He takes real good care of us. He's always answers the phone. I can't thank him enough for being here, helping us on this journey. So Grouse Park Waterfowl, we appreciate you. We'll let you know how these birds are when we get them home. But it looks good. It looks very good. Alright, this is the male. So he goes in the middle. Let's get him unwrapped here. Old Dan didn't mess around. He wanted to make sure these birds were not stacked on anything and didn't tip over. Pretty awesome. Good job, Dan. I'm gonna have to go get some cutters. Be right back. Alright, got my cutters. Went ahead and brought the hen up. Alright, let's see what he looks like. There he is. There he is. Looks like he's got 1.5 buckets of peas left. I'm going to take you over here and show you how they shipped him. Isn't he pretty? So they hot glue some Dixie cups in the corners, and then they fill that with frozen peas, and that gives the bird enough food and moisture so that he doesn't starve or go thirsty. Alright, let's get the hen out. Alright, this is the hen box. I don't have a perch or nothing set up for her yet, so sorry about the camera movement. It's hanging on the wire right now. She's tied up pretty good. I always like to see how people ship birds. So I haven't had to do it yet, but I can see it coming. We've got a bunch of Lady Amherst pheasants that we're going to sell and probably have to ship. And it's always good to see how others do it, especially since you've never done it before. That kind of makes it different. So this is the hen. See if we can get her out of here. There she is. Let's get you guys down and show her off here. Well, she's a flyer. She's spry. There we go. Get her on the ground, get her chilled out. She's pretty. She looks okay. She's looks like she got a little rough on the feather action in the box, but I don't know. She looks fine. A little stressed. We're gonna get them some mineral water. So we'll get them some vitamin mineral water. Put a little electrolytes in it to help them with the stress, help them deal with their new surroundings. We've got to get her a perch built in here, so we're going to stress her out some more building her perch. Harriet's starting to check them out, seeing what's up. See Harriet over there checking out her new boy. And we got this girl down here, so that makes three rough grouse that we've got now, on top of all of our pheasant, quail. So I'm hoping that this will bring us up to speed. Grouse are quite a bit more difficult to raise than most other game birds, just because of the secludedness that the bird likes to be. I mean, they like to be part of the flock, but they don't like to be crowded. So that makes them have a little higher space requirement than your regular ringneck, like that guy. But we've got our yellow goldens over there. They've got a lot of space. But these guys, we've got one bird per pen. 3 pens all side by side so they can see each other and everybody can learn to get along. Yeah, it's going to be a good day.